Alright, KP68 back at work here. Well, the only other things I didn't talk about was our AOI machine, or automated optical inspection machine. So there's a rehash. Here's side one. I think you saw. It does all the pick and place for side one of the board. Chapman, reflow oven. We'll walk down here. Flips the board over. Hello.
What are you doing, bud?
Doing a video for my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Here's side two. Same thing. Okay, we're gonna go over. And come down to here. Okay, hang on here. There's not a board in there yet. Okay, here's our automated optical inspection machine. All right, my buddy Austin's gonna put a circuit board in here. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, there it goes in. All right. So right now, what would you say? It's going through, there's a computer program that's gonna compare everything on this board to what it actually sees, right? On the screen, okay. It's gonna take all these pictures. It's going through inspecting. It's looking at the board. Making sure, what's it doing? Checking for polarity.
Polarity, spacing, color.
All the solder defects, head and pillows, bridging, every solder defect you can possibly imagine. It seems like, do they go faster than this usually? Sometimes I see the machines only taking pictures like that.
It depends on the board. Okay. Some boards run faster than the line. These ones run a little slower.
Okay. So what's going on there?
So,
it thinks it sees an error,
and
it's up to you to review it, to come in. So it's calling, where's it calling the error out at?
So you're going to hit review here.
Yeah, what's it reviewing?
And it'll give you right here. So we've got an insufficient solder on U10, and it's saying, I think there's a missing R18.
Okay.
So we zoom in here, it's outlined in red, and it's in the solder camera right there.
Okay.
We can switch the camera, and we can see that there's solder there.
Okay.
So we're going to pass that.
So that's a false fail.
False fail.
All right. So as you can see here, I'm sticking with this assembly that here we're doing here. We have many assemblies, but to keep all these videos the same, I'm using the same circuit board here.
It thinks this is missing. It's probably just a color issue.
So it thinks this that resistor right there is missing.
Yep. But for example, if it was missing, we would fail it, and then it's going to inspect the second side of the board, and it's going to give us our failed sheet.
Okay. Okay. So it's going to print out right now?
Yep.
Okay. So when something does fail, it's a legitimate fail, it's going to print out on the sheet here. Come on, printer. So give it the Italian tune up. Boom, boom. Oh shit, I hope I didn't break it. All right, we can print this sheet out here. It's going to give that, this is very, of course now this camera's not focusing it again, but it prints out all the errors or defects on there. There you go. It says missing. Okay. And then it's going to print out the picture too. And then somewhere on there's a red flag on there. It'll tell me where it's at. Sometimes the AOI operator here will fix it, but if they're backed up and there's a lot of rework, I'll take it down to my ICT decks and do all the rework. And so I'm going to get on out of here. That beeping's driving me crazy. Back to work, Murray.
Hold up. What now?
Back to work, Murray.
I am working.
All right, guys. KP68. I'm gonna get out. Check you later.